What do brain studies say about interleaving? Imagine trying to learn how to solve different kinds of puzzles all at once instead of one type at a time. That's what interleaving is, mixing up topics or problem types during study sessions. Brain studies show that this method actually helps you learn better over time. When you switch between different subjects or problems, your brain has to work harder to retrieve and apply what you've learned. This extra effort makes neural connections stronger, which means you remember things longer and get better at solving new problems. Research using brain imaging techniques has found that when people practice with interleaving, certain parts of the brain light up more. These areas are linked to planning movements and managing tasks, called motor planning and executive function. This means interleaving activates brain networks involved in paying attention, holding information in your mind, and controlling your thoughts. As a result, your brain gets more practice switching gears, which makes you more flexible in using what you learn in different situations. Cognitive psychologists call this process desirable difficulties. It sounds tricky, but it's actually good for your brain. When you learn with interleaving, it feels harder at first. Students often think they are not learning as much because it's less straightforward than studying one topic at a time. But in reality, tests show that students who use interleaving perform better later on. They retain information longer and can transfer their knowledge to new problems more easily. In practical terms, you can apply interleaving by mixing different subjects or types of problems in one study session. Instead of doing all math problems first and then switching to science, try alternating between them. This keeps your mind engaged and prevents fatigue. It also helps you learn to tell different concepts apart and use them more flexibly. Even though it might feel uncomfortable initially, sticking with interleaving can lead to stronger mastery and better results on exams or real-world tasks. So, brain studies confirm that this active learning method isn't just a trick. It's a scientifically backed way to boost your learning power.